Today we are gonna do experiment number 10. This is a concentration of an unknown using Beer's law. So that's your procedure, and this is the data sheet, and this is what we're gonna use the setup for today. We're gonna have the deionized water, the Allura stock solution, and your unknown is the Gatorade. This is the set of test tubes, and this is the special test tubes for the Spec 20 that we're gonna use in the machine. And okay, we're gonna start by preparing the solution to calibrate.
Yes.
And then so we're gonna use the 3 times 10 to the negative 5 molar Allura red. So what we're gonna do is we're preparing
Test tube number 2 first.
test tube number, this test tube here.
Yes.
Okay. So we just follow the table there. So you're pipetting how much? 2 mil?
2 mils.
Okay.
This is reverse, okay, because of the 8.
Yeah. So dispense to test tube number 2.
2. Next
I'm
is,
gonna go from the other side.
next is 4 mils.
Next one is what?
4.
4.
Well, it is, for the backward, it's going to be 6.
Okay. So the next one.
Next one is 6. It's going to be 8. It's going to be 6.
So this is the concentration of the Allura red. You guys need to. Alright. So we're gonna continue doing this. So 2 mil, 4 mil, 6 mil, 8 mil, and 10 mil, correct?
Yes. This one is 8 mil, right?
So all the Allura red has been dispensed into the test tubes. So this is 2 mil, 4 mil, 6 mil, 8 mil, and 10 mil, correct?
Yes.
And now we're gonna dispense the water into this test tube. So we're gonna have total of 10 mil per test tube, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. The first one is 10 mil.
Yeah. I'm gonna shoot a couple of the run.
It's going to be a blank.
Okay. That goes into the first tube. So the next test tube is 2 mil, so we
No,
need 8 mil.
8. Yeah. This
8 mil
Make it
of
total
water to make a total of 10 mil
Yes.
solution. So we're gonna pipette about, wait, we're gonna pipette 8
8
mil
to the test tube number 2.
to the test tube number 2.
Then 6.
So we're gonna continue pipetting the correct amount of water in order to get the total of 10 ml solution for each test tubes. You can use stirring rod or you can use the mixer like this to mix each solution. Make sure it's all completely mixed. So this is how they look like. We finish preparing the Allura Red solutions for the calibration.
Yeah.
So next we're gonna do the unknown. Preparing the unknown. Okay.
That one we need to do the 1 to 9 dilution. This is a vessel.
So for the Gatorade, this is the Gatorade solution. Actually, this is the straight Gatorade that we got from the store, and we need to dilute this Gatorade. So what is it? 1 to 10? 1 to 9. So that means 1 ml of Gatorade and 9 ml of water, correct?
Yes.
Yes. So you need to include that in your calculation, the dilution factor. So that's 1 ml.
Oops.
That's good.
No.
No?
How it is. Right. Oops.
That's good.
It doesn't hold it. It's fine.
Okay. That's the unknown goes into the tube.
Then we add 9 mils of water.
So on the scale, we'll read 2. Oh, 2, yeah. So we're adding 9 ml of the ionized water into the unknown test tubes.
Okay, mix it.
Alright, so now we complete all the solutions, and now we're ready to run it into the
Plus 20 recorded absorptions.
Okay, so okay, we have transferred all the solution into the cuvette for the Spec 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and that's the unknown. So this is just the water. Make sure it's 0. So that's 0, and we set it at 504 nanometer wavelength. So that's 0. And we're gonna do solution number 2. Start recording. 0.166. Number 3. 0.340. 4. 0.490. 5. 0.774. And lastly will be our unknown. This is a diluted unknown, so make sure that you include the dilution factor in your calculation. Okay, we did stabilize. So it's at 0.357. Okay, that will conclude our experiment for this experiment number 10.